BT Cars in the house.
Alright. Yes, sir. That sounds so good. Yeah. WS6?
Yeah, okay. Go around the block.
Yeah. WS6?
What's that?
WS6, yep.
Oh, whoops.
Yep, WS6.
WS6. Don't turn that
here.
to the cops. I had the tops off earlier. I was like, oh, it might get too hot. It ain't bad today.
Alright, WS6 Trans Am core. Around 800 horsepower Pro Charger on this. Oh yeah, it's actually LS7 swapped. Dude, this thing sounds so good. American muffler, baby. Wow. Dude, and especially I love this air induction photo. So good. Oh yeah. WS6. Dude, this is so crazy.
Yeah, Tom.
Yeah, let's go. Yes, sir. WS6.
WS6 Trans Am, baby.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
You hear the supercharger whine?
Yeah.
Out here you gotta look for all those undercover cop cars.
Yeah.
They're all over the place.
Yeah.
Right there, that's it right there.
Oh my gosh. Dude, that is so crazy.
Pick the front wheels up off the ground?
Oh yeah. That's crazy. Oh my goodness, wow. That is not, I've never experienced speed like that. That is,
Is it sick?
yeah. Yeah.
Hear that blower? Huh?
Yeah. Oh my goodness, that is oh my goodness, that is unbelievable. Oh my gosh, that blow off, oh my gosh. Wow. Oh, I'm speechless. I don't know what to say. That is nuts. Wow. Oh man, that is so crazy fast. Oh yeah, this guy gets strapped in. This is, oh my gosh, they're so fast.
Just in case you have to rescue us somewhere.
Hear that supercharger. Oh my gosh. What do you think? Oh my gosh.
Thing's brutal, man.
Yeah.
Nothing like a Trans Am.
Yep.
Especially that.
Yeah.
WS6.
LS7 motor. Well, how much horsepower did you say?
Oh, it's probably 350.
Yeah.
It's all stock. Remember I
Yeah,
told you that?
definitely.
Stock at 800 horse.
Yep.
Yep, these are factory from the
800.
factory, 800
Yep.
horse.
800 horsepower. Yeah. Yeah. Dude, this is so sick. I love the styling of these.
Yeah, right. Gabe,
Yeah,
right.
have similar back end. Hey, wait.
Hey, give me
Hey,
those.
those are mine. Yeah.
He's ready to drive.
Yeah. Oh yeah, the backs of these
See,
really similar actually. Dude, I've never experienced speed quite like that ever.
that Ferrari
was-
812 super fast.
Yeah, that was
really
quick.
too. That's pretty close.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, they're actually pretty similar, like, differences in speed. You know,
Yeah, there's
but
not too much, huh?
yeah, no,
Different. Ferrari's smoother
Oh,
because
yeah.
it's just a newer car, but as
Right.
far as brute horsepower,
Right,
I don't
yeah.
think there's a difference.
Yeah, I mean the 812 has what 789, and that has like 800, so they're pretty dead.
Pretty
even
close.
when it comes to
Oh,
that
yeah.
sort of stuff. But
Hey, they're cars. They're
Yeah.
both extremely fast, and
Yes.
we love them.
Oh yeah, we love them. So get some amazing.